Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can get a smaller taskbar in Windows 11 desktop. So for doing that, just simply search for registry editor and then just simply click on run as administrator. So after the registry is opened, just simply copy and paste the detail given to you in the description below and then press enter. And now when you are inside the advanced folder, what you have to do is just simply right click on the blank panel over here and just simply press new. Then create a 32-bit value and name it Taskbar SI and keep the taskbar T capital, then the B capital and the S capital. Then just simply double click on the taskbar SI and open it, and as you can see the value is currently 0. Basically the value 0 means small icons, the value 1 means default icons, and value 2 means larger icons. So firstly I will show you the smaller version. Just enter the value 0 and then press OK. Then restart the Windows Explorer by going to the start icon over here, then Task Manager, then simply click on Windows Explorer, then click restart. And as you can see, the taskbar size has gotten smaller. So now let me show you how you can bring it to default value. So just simply double click on taskbar SI again, change the value to 1, then OK. Then again restart the Windows Explorer. Just simply click on Windows Explorer and restart. And as you can see, it has came back to its normal size. Now let me show you what value 2 does. So just simply double click on taskbar SI again and change it to value 2. OK. And again restart the Windows Explorer. And as you can see right here, the taskbar size has increased massively. So for now, I will just simply change it back to normal and to value 1. Then I will just simply press OK and again restart the Windows Explorer. So that's it. That's how you can decrease the size of icons in the taskbar in Windows 11. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.